Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let's talk about deleting your order history in Swiggy. So let's jump right in. So here's the thing. Currently, Swiggy does not allow users to directly delete their order history from the app. But there are two main methods you can use to request deletion. Method one is by contacting Swiggy customer care. All you have to do is open your Swiggy app on your phone or on your desktop, then go to the help section. Then you want to start a chat with the Swiggy customer care team. You may receive a call from their support team. Just explain your request and ask them to delete your order history. The team will process your request and help you remove it. This is the quickest and easiest way for most users. But there's also a second method. It's simply by sending an email to Swiggy. All you have to do is open your email app and tap compose, then write an email to support@swiggy.in. Use a subject like request to delete Swiggy order history, and in the body, just explain your issue and include your account details like phone number or registered email, then hit send. The Swiggy team will get back to you and guide you through the process. So again, you can't manually delete your order history in Swiggy from the app itself. Instead, you must either contact customer care through the app or email support@swiggy.in to request deletion. That's it. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.